Next. Alpha and beta are root of the equation. First given equation. Example 3.46. Given alpha comma beta are roots of equation 3x square plus 7x minus 2 equal to 0. Find the value of alpha by beta plus beta by alpha. First, sum of the roots. A is equal to 3, B is equal to 7, C is equal to minus 2. Next is sum of the roots. Sum of roots alpha plus beta is equal to minus b by a. That is alpha plus beta is equal to minus 7 by 3. Product of the roots. Product of roots alpha into beta is equal to c by a. Then minus 2 divided by 3. Alpha into beta. Now find the value of alpha by beta, 6, alpha by beta plus beta by alpha. How to find out this value? Just you take LCM, we get alpha into beta, we get alpha square plus beta square. Now alpha plus beta the whole square, you know that the formula alpha plus beta the whole square minus 2 alpha beta divided by alpha beta, this formula in the previous sum. Now alpha plus beta value is minus 7 by 3 the whole square minus 2 into minus 2 by 3 divided by minus 2 by 3. Now 49 divided by 9 plus 4 by 3 whole divided by 2 by 3 minus 2 by 3. Now here taking LCM numerator 9, 49 plus 12, denominator value you take, you get minus 3 by 2. Now add this value 11, remainder 1, 61, 1 times here, 3 times divided by 6, here minus 61 divided by minus 6. Okay. Then second sum, alpha square divided by beta plus beta square divided by alpha. Now take LCM alpha into beta, here alpha cube plus beta cube. Upon now alpha plus beta the whole cube equal to, you know that formula, alpha plus beta into alpha square plus beta square minus alpha beta minus alpha beta. Now alpha in beta the whole square value, you know that. Suppose now apply the formula alpha plus beta the whole square. What is simplification? This part is a numerator, is a answer. Numerator 4 by 9 plus. Okay, first you find out what is next one. Alpha plus beta whole cube equal to a cube plus b cube. Okay, using the another formula. Using another one formula, you write here, that is alpha plus beta the whole cube equal to alpha cube plus beta cube plus 3 alpha square beta plus 3 beta square alpha. Now you taking alpha plus beta the whole cube plus 3 alpha beta taking outside, we get alpha plus beta. Now alpha plus beta the whole cube. Now this value come this side, alpha plus beta the whole cube minus 3 alpha beta into alpha plus beta equal to alpha cube plus beta cube. Now apply this formula, we get alpha plus beta the whole cube minus 3 alpha beta into alpha plus beta whole divided by here alpha beta. Now apply this formula, apply these values here. Alpha plus beta value is what? What is alpha plus beta value? Alpha plus beta value 7 by 3 the whole cube minus 3 into alpha into beta value minus 7 by 3, alpha into beta minus 2 by 3, here are minus 7 by 3 whole divided by alpha beta minus 2 by 3. You simplify 7 into 7 49, 49 into 7 63, remainder 6 28, 30 34. Our answer is 343 divided by 27 minus here 343 divided by 27. Here these two cancel. Minus 14 divided by 3 whole divided by this value go the numerator into here 3 by minus 2. 3 by minus 2. Listen, now take LCM 27. Here 343 minus 14 into 3 into minus 3 by 2. Now simplify, we get 343 minus 12, remainder 1, 42 whole divided by 27 into minus 3 by 2. Cancel it 1 times here, 9 times. Subtract this, we get 301 into by 9 into minus 1 by 2. Finally we get minus 301 divided by 18. Minus 301 divided by 18. Now you simplify 10 times 7 by 3 you simplify. Sorry, here minus 1 by alpha into beta value. Minus 2 by 3 minus 2 by 3. Here minus 1 by 3. This is a correct answer because book in you Mr. Alpha and beta value substituting in our book minus 1 by 3. But it is a mistake. That is minus 2 by 3 is an answer. Okay.